Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to show you how to make some orange flavored cupcakes. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
To make these orange cupcakes, in a bowl with 60 grams of butter, add in a third cup of packed brown sugar, give it a mix. Then add in a quarter cup of sugar and mix. Then add in 1 egg. Add in 1 egg white and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well incorporated. In a bowl with 1 1/4 cup of flour, add in a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon baking powder. Mix until well incorporated. This recipe calls for buttermilk, but if you don't have buttermilk, just add a teaspoon or 2 of lemon juice to milk. So for this recipe I need 2 1/3 cup of buttermilk. So to 2 1/3 cup of milk, add a teaspoon of lemon juice and mix. The milk will thicken up. To the butter mixture, add in 1 teaspoon orange zest and 2 tablespoons orange juice. Mix until well combined. Gradually add in the flour mixture. Then add in the buttermilk in 2 batches. Starting and ending with the flour mixture. Spoon the batter into a lined cupcake tray. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Now for the icing. In a bowl with a 1/2 cup of icing sugar, add in 4 teaspoons of orange juice, and mix until smooth. Spoon the icing onto the cupcakes and let the icing drip down. And these are so yummy. Hope you try to make this at home and enjoy.